Look at that turquoise smallmouth. Look at that walleye. Look at another smallmouth. Oh my goodness. It's been some good fishing so far this summer. We've been having a heck of a time trying new rigs, new setups. It's been a good time with friends, families, having good fellowship. God is good all the time. Mr. Poe Benda. Remember, you can't catch fish if you're pulling in the water. Keep those tight lines a coming. See y'all on the water.
Light at night, it ain't right.
It's a small one.
It's a real nice size small. Second get away. We're on the board. First 5 minutes of changing the white at night.
Not even. First
Not
cast.
even.